Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Ubisoft Connect account. You can sign up either on the Ubisoft website or by installing the Ubisoft Connect app, but using the app is usually quicker and more direct. Once you open the app, you'll see a login screen. Just below it, tap Create an Account to get started. First, enter your date of birth and continue. Next, you'll need to choose a username, provide your email address, and create a password. Ubisoft may ask you to verify your email, so be sure to check your inbox and confirm it. When choosing a username, it must be between 3 and 15 characters, start with a letter, and only include letters, numbers, underscores, dashes, or periods. Your password should be 8 to 16 characters long, and include at least one lowercase letter, one uppercase letter, one number, and one special character. Once you've filled everything out, tap Continue and follow the remaining on-screen steps. After that, your Ubisoft account and your Ubisoft Connect account will be ready to use. I hope this helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe to One More Guru for more tutorials like this. See you next time.